If you're tired of balancing your phone on rickety, makeshift, teetering towers, but you don't like carrying heavy chunky gadgets, then you need a pocket tripod. What's a pocket tripod? It's the only credit card-sized phone holder that won't add any bulk or weight to the things you already carry every day. It's so compact and lightweight, you won't even notice it's there until you need it. And that matters, because when things are a burden to carry, they usually stay in a drawer at home and they're never really there when you need them. And that's why we at Geometrical invented the pocket tripod. In 2013, we launched our first project on Kickstarter, an all-plastic pocket tripod that only worked with a caseless iPhone 5. In 2016, we launched our second Kickstarter for the Universal Pocket Tripod. And in 2018, we soft-launched the Pocket Tripod Pro. Selling over 250,000 units and hearing your real-world feedback has taught us a lot about what works and what doesn't. And thanks to your incredible support, we've been able to invest in making the Pocket Tripod better and better, tweaking and upgrading it year after year. Now, in 2024, we've finally arrived at what we believe to be the definitive iteration of the Pocket Tripod that befits a new Kickstarter. Meet the Pocket Tripod PROv2, the world's only credit card-sized adjustable phone tripod. By popular request from our Pro users, it now also includes integrated 1/4-inch 20-thread connectors that allow you to mount your smartphone directly to Pro gear that you already have, all without compromising its ludicrously thin profile and lightweight. Being ultra-portable, the Pocket Tripod PROv2 will save the shot when other gear is out of reach. Crafted with carbon fiber legs for strength unmatched, TPU adapters to securely grip your phone, and a plethora of other improvements that we've engineered over the years, the Pocket Tripod PROv2 is the upgrade that you've been waiting for. Not only does it function incredibly well on its own, with its ability to adjust to any angle in landscape or portrait, including those tricky upward shots that other stands can't handle, but now, with the built-in nickel-plated brass threads, it means you also have the most compact phone clamp whenever you need one. Filming a YouTube video? Mount it to your professional camera's cold shoe to capture vertical content for social media or even as a monitor or teleprompter. Got a 1/4-inch bolt that's too tight to open? The Pocket Tripod PROv2 will get you out of a pinch. That's why the Pocket Tripod Pro is trusted by thousands of creators and Pro users worldwide. Just like renowned photographer Dan Martland, who uses his Pocket Tripod PROv2 to get the most out of his iPhone while he shoots his world-famous lightning photos. From filming behind the scenes to using his phone as a second camera, Dan never leaves for his shoots without his Pocket Tripod. He's got peace of mind knowing that he's always prepared for any spontaneous opportunity. We're involved in every step of production, and that's why we back all of our products with our lifetime warranty. We take pride in crafting durable products that outlive multiple generations of phones and cases, helping reduce landfill waste. As a Climate Partner certified company, we're committed to offsetting our carbon footprint by fighting deforestation in the Amazon rainforest. By backing us on Kickstarter, you'll be among the first to get your hands on the Pocket Tripod PROv2 in December 2024 at our highly discounted price instead of the normal retail price of $40. Don't miss a shot. Don't carry unnecessary bulk. With the Pocket Tripod PROv2, you're always ready to capture the extraordinary and elevate the ordinary.